Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change a region in Pinterest app. At the moment I'm using iPhone, so you will see it like it looks on the iPhone, but it's perfectly doable on every other Android device. First of all, we want to go to the bottom right corner where our saved images or pins are, and now we want to go to our top right corner. And as you can see, the second option in this menu is account settings. The third option in here is country or a region. Now we can pick from all the regions and all the countries that we may actually be living in. As a basic on this account, I press UK, even though I'm not from UK. And you can really use, let's say, Slovakia. The country and region is updated now. We go back, and as you can see, as my region, it changed from UK to Slovakia. It will help you actually find some artist close to you, or maybe tweak your profile more towards Slovakia region. So that's about it, and thanks for watching.